Welcome to my YouTube channel. You have written your text like this using text editor widget. So now you need to change some of the words here to a different color. Very simple. What you do, go to editor at your at your left hand side. Highlight the word you need to change the text color. For example, this. Highlight this. Then around here there is this tool here which is a toolbar toggle. Click on it. You'll find this text color. Click this drop down. After clicking there, you can choose your color from here. The color you need to change. When you click on it, it changes from this side. When you change to a different one, it changes from this way. But now, if your color is not listed here, just copy your color. For example, I will copy this color. Copy it. Then come back to my text editor. Click on this toggle. Then click on custom. After clicking on custom, you see where there is a hash. Paste your code there. But now, remove this hash because it is already represented here. After entering it like that, then hit OK. You'll find out your work will be, the text will be changed. The color of the text will be changed. For example, you can even change each of it into a different one. If you have a different color again, you can still change. Just highlight it and change the color. If you have it here, click any cell. If you do not have it here, copy it from anywhere where it is, then click on custom, then apply. You can change different colors the way you may wish. Please, if this is helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.